Hi guys, this side CMA Vipul Shah. Today I am going to explain difference between call option and put option. The first difference in call option, it offers right to buy underlying asset at a predetermined rate at a fixed date. Okay, that is particular date. In put option, it offers right to sell underlying asset at a predetermined rate and also at a predetermined date or on a particular date. When buyer go for call option, obviously there is a scope for he thinks that there will be increase in price. So call options are useful when you think their price will go up. Put option will useful when you think price will go down. When it comes to profitability in call option, there can be maximum profit because it can go up to any level because there is an increase in price. But in put option, the price can be reduced to zero, so that loss can be determined, maximum loss. And in both the option, use stop loss to minimize your profit or loss. Correct? Otherwise, it will be a big risk for you. So please save the reel and don't forget to share with your friends. Thank you so much.